Greetings, students. I am so pleased to introduce myself as Mrs. Brown, principal of Roland Park Elementary Middle School. Roland Park is a special community that takes pride in our high academic achievements, work in the arts, and our overall commitment to growing our students to their greatest potential. Our vision is developing global citizens and leaders through equitable experiences, academic rigor, the arts, and social well-being. I would summarize our community with the following words: historic, ambitious, challenging, embracing, and close-knit. We may have 1,400 students, but we celebrate and connect each student and family. We are the best together.
And I'm Miss Wright, one of the 4 assistant principals at Roland Park. If you're wondering about our programs, we strive to offer different learning experiences that meet you and your strengths. That is why we have a fully inclusive schedule similar to high schools. Your schedule is made just for you. That means we have students in all our programs and courses, while also giving specialized courses for students in ingenuity, advanced math, and honors. The mixed classes each period helps us build an inclusive and equitable community where students can challenge themselves in honors classes while also meeting other students, collaborating and learning with diverse groups of learners. The high school model also allows students to have a variety of special courses each year. 6th graders get physical education, health, art, technology or drama, and Spanish. 7th and 8th graders have the choice for other classes such as photography, Project Lead the Way, a Spanish credit course, music theater, and others as we add to our catalog each year. Student choice is important.
Oh, and did I mention our science fair, National History Day, and NEFT competitions? We have hundreds of students participate each year and have students move on to state and national competitions. And I'm Miss Taylor. I'm here to tell you about our clubs. They are as important and exciting for our students as our courses. Each year we have 2 plays, including a musical. We feature some photos from The Lion King. We have an amazing girls leadership step group called Stepping into Sisterhood, which performs multiple times a year and has mentors for our girls. We have also begun a boys mentoring group. Our debate team regularly wins first place in monthly competitions, and we offer chess, art and moral clubs, band and chorus. Our academic teams include science and math Olympiads and math counts. We have earned state and national recognition with these teams and continue to add to our clubs. Then you have sports. We have track and field, basketball, volleyball, lacrosse, and soccer. The gist, if we have kids interested and adults ready to help, we have that club. Our campus is always busy.
A few last thoughts I think you should know about Roland Park. If you are looking for a place to grow, meet amazing kids, and develop your passion in life, Roland Park is the place to be. Every year we welcome new students, new clubs are formed, and friendships are created. If you think it, we will make it work to happen. I think we are the only middle school with an alumni association because we always remain a part of you and you remain a part of us. We look forward to welcoming new students each year and hope to see you join our school community.